Volkswagen Passat. Okay, press the button here. Okay, remove the key blade. Okay, push the cap over there. Okay, remove it. Turn around. Use the screwdriver. Pop it up on the side here as well. Okay, remove the cover. Okay, pry the battery up. Okay, shake it off. Here's the battery, CR2032. Replace the battery, put it in like that. Okay, put the cover back on. Yep, press it down. Put the cap on like that. Okay, and then put it to the side. Put the key back in. Okay, it's Passat